Hey everyone! In this video, you will come to know how you can change your voice and create a virtual and imaginary voice with an inbuilt application in your Windows PC. You might have seen Clipchamp application in your Windows PC, and that's only our asset to do so, which will help us in creating a virtual voice. Now I'm showing you a tutorial. First of all, you will have to search Clipchamp in your search box. But here it came on just typing clip. Now, it's our Clipchamp app. Now open it. Here you might have to wait for a while as it might take few seconds to be opened. Just wait till it opens. Here I'm refreshing my PC once. Yes, now it's opening, right? And now it's loading. And finally it opened. Here you can see many other functions which I will discuss in further videos, as this video will get longer, so we'll discuss them later. Now we will just see a tutorial of how Voice Changer works. Now tap on Create a new video. And finally we are in the screen where we will do our work. Here tap on Record and Create. Then go to Text to Speech option. And you will see an audio menu colored as blue appeared on the screen. And on going top of the right side you will be able to see language option. And just below of language option, voice option is also there, which is followed by the empty space where you will have to write your text which you want as an audio. And here if you would go there in the voice option you would find voices of different characters. And here you can choose your character as per your convenience, so once go through it. Now I'm typing here something to show you a tutorial. You can type here whatever you want as your audio output. Now I'm typing, let's say, "Hey buddy, how are you?" And remember, I'm just showing you this as an example. And it's done. And now you can also bring some changes in the voice. Like, if you will go here in the advanced setting, you will be able to change the pace, or you can say speed of audio. And here you can also change the pitch of the voice as per your convenience. And if you want to listen the written text, just click on the preview tab once. And the whole text you have written will be converted into an audio. And when you tap on this save button, this audio which you want will get attached with the ongoing work. And finally you have done it. Now you can export it from the export option which you can see at the top right corner. Thank you.